Points M and P lie on square LNQR, and LM is equal to PQ. What is the length of line segment PQ? And then they give us this monstrosity of a diagram. So let's redraw it in a way so that it is actually usable. We get a triangle going like this, and then another triangle going like this, and then our labels are L, M, N, P, Q, and R. And our triangles are shaded like this. Okay. So what do we know? So it looks like, so we have a square, and then they don't say this in the prompt, it's only in the diagram, so don't miss this. It looks like each of our sides of our square is 4. Then they say LM is equal to PQ. So if we call LM X, PQ also has to be X. And this also means it looks like MN has to be equal to NP, because if LM is equal to X, MN has to be 4 minus X. And same thing here. So NP also has to be 4 minus X. Then they ask us for what is the length of line segment PQ, which is the same as line segment LM. So a couple things. What do I notice from anything else from the prompt? So these two triangles here, these are both right triangles because the edges of my square are right angles. And so if they have the same two legs, 4 and X, their hypotenuse should also be the same. So these two triangles are literally equal to each other. They're equivalent triangles. So let's see if that is helpful. So PR is equal to, and whoops, there should be an R here, not a P. PR is equal to 4 rad 10 over 3. So that is telling me this guy here is 4 rad 10 over 3. Then it is asking me what is PQ. And so using just Pythagorean theorem, I should be able to see that I should be able to solve for what x is, because I know that 4 squared plus x squared should be equal to this whole guy squared. I don't think we need to solve this. I don't think they want us to solve for this. We can try if we want. This will be 16 times 10 over 9. So 160 over 9. So 16 plus x squared is equal to 160 over 9. I don't know what this is, but the point is, if I wanted to find x squared, I easily could. I'm not going to do it because I don't think they want us to do it. But this is sufficient. Statement 2 says the ratio of the area of the unshaded region to the total area of the shaded region, not the total area of the square, the total area just of the shaded region, that's totally confusing, is 2, 2, 1. So what are they saying here? They're saying our unshaded area to our shaded area. And what's our shaded area? Our shaded area is really just our triangles, is equal to 2 over 1. So what of these two guys is easy to find? So the shaded area should be easy because we've already been looking at our triangles here. So remember, our triangles are the same, right? So the area of my shaded region should just be 2 times the area of one of my triangles. So this is unshaded over 2 times 1/2 4 times x. Let's leave them with just unshaded over 1/2. So just 4x, it looks like. and that is equal to 2 over 1. And so now I got to find my unshaded region. So let's think about this, because there's no formula like with triangles that we can apply to find the area of the unshaded region. So we got to think if there is another way, and the way we can think about it is, well, if I find the area of my entire square, and then I take out my triangles, my shaded region, all that's left should be the area of my unshaded region. So what is the area of my square? That is 16. 16 minus the area of my triangles, which we just said was 4x, all over 4x, should be equal to 2 over 1. Remember, they're asking for PQ, so they're just asking for x. And so here it looks like I'm going to be able to solve for x just by cross multiplying. So if I wanted to, I can say right now, this statement is also sufficient. Here I can actually do this. So let's try and solve this guy. 8x is equal to 16 minus 4x. Then we get 12x is equal to 16. So x is equal to 16 over 12, which divided by 4 is, so divided by 4 is 16 divided by 4 is 4, 12 divided by 4 is 3. So PQ is equal to 4 thirds. And you should get the same thing if you solve for this x squared, or for x up here. But I don't want to do that, so you can check that on your own. D, though, is the answer.